These are the headlines for today evening. Bitcoin trades above $16,000, Ether trades below $1,300. RBI to commence pilot of retail digital rupee on December 1. FTX resumes post-bankruptcy payments to employees. Korean crypto exchange Upbit's parent Q3 profit slides 73%. Gary Vee-Backed NFT startup Candy Digital cuts staff in mass layoffs. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrencies prices rose on Tuesday despite the crypto lender BlockFi declaring bankruptcy on Monday, days after suspending withdrawals amid the ongoing fallout from exchange FTX's bankruptcy filing. Manoj Dhara joins us to explain how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Over to you, Manoj.
Cryptocurrency prices rose on Tuesday despite the crypto lending BlockFi declaring bankruptcy on Monday, days after suspending withdrawals amid the ongoing fallout from the exchange FTX's bankrupt filing. So, according to the most recent on-chain data, investors who are classified as crabs and shrimps are enthusiastic about Bitcoin and have been stockpiling despite worries about a ripple effect from the collapse of FTX, which is still looming. According to the research, small and big investors combined accumulated around 3 lakh Bitcoins in the past 30 days. So which is a very important reason why there is a support in Bitcoin. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 1.6% at 24,900 points. So markets have discounted Monday's BlockFi Inc.'s bankruptcy announcement as Bitcoin and Ethereum continues to surge. The largest digital coin, Bitcoin, rose by as much as 2%, was trading at about $16,490. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 4%, trading at $1,216. It's above the important support zone, which was at $1,200. If we talk about the global cryptocurrency market cap, was trading higher by around 2% at $840 billion, which is actually on the back of a rising optimism from the US macroeconomic factors. However, the total trading volume rose by 7% to stand at $50 billion. If we try to understand the market dynamics, crypto funds had the biggest week of the outflows in the 3 months. If you talk about the consolidated average in the last 3 months, as negative sentiment pervades digital asset markets following the collapse of the Sang Bankman-Fried's FTX exchange and the contagion to the other firms. You have seen that post-FTX, BlockFi was the second ecosystem player who have filed for bankruptcy. The collapse of Sang Bankman-Fried's FTX exchange and sibling trading arm Alameda Research led to the collapse of the crypto lending firm BlockFi. So, US stock futures, if we talk about, were higher on Tuesday after the major averages come under pressure from COVID protests in China and as investors anticipate more economic data and commentary from the Federal Reserve leader this week. So if we talk about crude, it is trading lower as well. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures added 72 points or 0.2%. S&P 500 and Nasdaq futures climbed 0.4% and 0.51% respectively. So if we talk about the other altcoins on my left, Balance BNB was trading higher by 3.5% at $304. And Cardano's ADA token was up by 2.2% at $0.31. So keep an eye on this news. One of the major announcements on Monday, which came as ADA Swap, the ecosystem builder behind one of the decentralized exchanges on the Cardano's blockchain, announced the launch of its DEX on the mainnet from a 2022 opening, which tallied at around 2,800 smart contracts. There were now roughly around 3,800 smart contracts running on the Cardano's Plutus platform, representing an increase of 300%. So this is the reason why there is optimism as far as the Cardano ecosystem is concerned. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 8.5% at $0.10. So if we understand the reason why the Doge is up is mainly because of 2-3 reasons. So whales and the market movers continue to buy Doge in millions amid the possible payment support on Twitter. A top whale transferred 300 million Doge, approximately $30 million from Robinhood's wallet. This is actually analysts have highlighted, and Doge saw a double-digit spike over the weekend after Tesla CEO Elon Musk suggested that he would create his own smartphone amid its ongoing rift with the tech giant Apple. The market saw this idea as a potential positive sign for the further DogeCoin adoption.
Thank you, Manoj, for this in-depth market analysis. And now back to the headlines. Within a month of rolling out the first pilot of digital rupee for the wholesale segment, the Reserve Bank of India on Tuesday announced the launch of the first pilot for retail digital rupee. The RBI said that the first pilot of digital rupee, or the central bank digital currency for the retail segment, will be launched on December 1, 2022. The pilot would cover selective locations in a closed user group comprising participating customers and merchants, the central bank said. 8 banks, State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank, IDFC First Bank, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India, HDFC Bank, and Kotak Mahindra Bank have been identified for the phase-wise pilot. The first 4 banks will take part in the first phase and others will join subsequently. The pilot would initially cover 4 cities: Mumbai, New Delhi, Bengaluru, and Bhubaneswar. It would later be extended to Ahmedabad, Gangtok, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Indore, Kochi, Lucknow, Patna, and Shimla. Defunct cryptocurrency company FTX announced today that it would resume ordinary cost payments of salary and benefits to employees worldwide and certain non-US contractors. The announcement comes a week after FTX's legal counsel filed a motion to pay compensation benefits and relief to its employees and vendors. In the motion, FTX said that the company would not pay anything to Sam Bankman-Fried, Gary Wang, Nishad Singh, Caroline Ellison, or any who have a familial relationship. With the court's approval of our first-day motions and the work being done on global cash management, I am pleased that the FTX Group is resuming ordinary course cash payments of salaries and benefits to our remaining employees around the world, FTX CEO John J. Ray III said in a statement. Ray says the company is making these payments to preserve business operations subject to the limits approved by the bankruptcy court. Net profit at Dunamu, the South Korean parent of crypto exchange Upbit, dropped 73% to 160 billion won in the third quarter from the year earlier period. The South Korean fintech firm was hit by tumbling valuations that have seen the crypto market cap slump by 2/3 over the past year. And that's without any fallout from the collapse of FTX earlier this month, which occurred after the period closed. Upbit is the world's 9th largest exchange by 24-hour trading volume, according to CoinGecko data. Candy Digital, a sports and entertainment NFT startup that was founded in 2021 and rocketed to a $1.5 billion valuation that same year, laid off a large part of its staff today. According to sources, Candy Digital has laid off more than 1/3 of its approximately 100-person team. Community content manager Matthew Muntner tweeted that he was included in the departures. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Lido Finance's total value logged has kept the liquid staking protocol among the top DeFi ecosystems. This has happened despite the massive drop in the wider DeFi market. The Lido DeFi TVL is $5.68 billion. Lido had maintained its second position only behind MakerDAO. The performance of the protocol over the last 30 days had declined by 33%. This implied that deposits into the Lido protocol were not impressive despite the increased incentives with the Ethereum staking. LDO was trading at $1.11, up 6.97% in the past 24 hours with a market capitalization of $3 million. Celo, the coin that powers the Celo blockchain, has outperformed the top 100 cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. This latest rally is not being driven by a catalyst. Celo, on the other hand, has been on the rise since Celo announced a partnership with Ethereum software firm Consensus last week. Celo will integrate with Consensus Infura infrastructure according to the terms of the partnership. Celo has increased by 52% in the last 7 days, outperforming the other major cryptocurrencies. The rally comes as the broader crypto market retreats. Celo traded 40.8% up the past 7 days. However, Celo is trading at $0.6429, down 1.85% in the past 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $3 million. Hobby announced its partnership with the Commonwealth of Dominica, Tron, and DMC Labs on November 29th. The Dominica government has approved the 3 platforms to issue Dominica's national token, Dominica Coin, and digital identity. DMC holders will be granted Dominican digital citizenship. This is the first significant step in Hobby's global development strategy since its rebranding, demonstrating the company's ambition to become a major player in the future stage of Web 3.0 and the Metaverse. DMC and DID, both issued by a sovereign country, are based on the Tron network, Dominica's official national blockchain infrastructure, and will be available on Hobby Prime. The DID and DMC will be necessary credentials for user to gain access to the Metaverse's future world. DMC, as a Dominica-issued TRC20 token, supports cross-chain interaction with Ethereum and the BNB Smart Chain via the BTTC bridge. The tokens will be distributed via Hobby Prime, and all registered users will receive DMC and Dominica DIDs. Hobby token was 30.66% up in the past 7 days. However, despite this development, HT token was trading at $6.41, down by 2.21% in the past 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $9 million.
Thank you, Rupee. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.